Amarago bengia gusoma basomi yo mwanchu muligerera begeteseni kya Ndizi TV Chinsa ni Isano na Ibere chabano mubaso litukone lya Alamisi chitariki ni Isano nemo omutenyi no yokane omwaka bw'ekiri Ibere na 2023 inyora litukeliga umuraibwense Dr. William Ruto noare ase county ya Kwale abwasa koigura umurubelio bwokobeka mache aseri bwago lya mwache egotoka sensemo ya Kinango county ya Kwale asubaiga tuguteirare ingana ya mandamano asense ya Kenya na goteba kobeka chisuguri asemetwe na gosoka weika ase chipara teliero lichibu asaba Kenya asatebere lichibu likeranu no koliye merobelio bene na koliyo gosiro korwa Chinsa cha my covenant moyo gokinia uchumi eliokororobia obogima asense ya Kenya ayokagendere tumwanchu muligereria ase county ya Nyamira nigobono umurobelio bwokobekirwa chigutwa korwa saboroki bwa ekerubogie tai National Polytechnic ogendere taroro abwasomo waziri wechisemi Ezekiel Machogo akageire gochagoika asense meyokora umoyegoyo olendete kunyarekana ase chitaba ase chisababu chitari kumanyikana naigo omo director uteneta mangana ye chitivet aiga sense ya Kenya muswati Joyce Mwale nero kura umoyegoyo muliketubo mangana mayakorwa se county Nyamira job mangi no ara sense meyokwene kiabuna no chiko ya nyoronsi asenchira yobekirano asibali mogotobwate wetera senchira yo mitandao tonyore Ndizi TV News Digital abone nsemo ya Facebook na baigo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube na ende na bogo tweet @Ndizi TV News kwirana ndasege keke kerebosio egeren kumanye ayyo mona yanda mange asenchira yobwenge Ncheni konkoro kwa sara Nyarangi Ontita no letago konya na nere korwa sense moje bimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta toya chake korwa se county ya Kisii abwase amameranyo yechigosoli wetene chiskuru chimeisano na Ibere agendrete okorekana se skuru yabamura ya Kisii abwase ababwatani korwa sorogongorwa Nyanza ase kyombegia Kupet banyariko abakubolia serikali ya nene wetera se wizara yechisemi na baige kyombegyo kubalika bali mu Teacher Service Commission banyariko babaka na aborokia emisara yabo gose chibesa cyabo icyo bakorerete mirimo asogo charokia amatemwe manene yo mwaka bw'ekiri Ibere na 2022 kolengana babwatani abo nigo bage chiri abwasborokiri gotaisaneka kwabo ekyagera abana barendete na wikirania amatemwe ayo tayare basoire ase chiskuru secondary na abande ngoswa bali ase university nigo batebira uchumi ense ya Kenya nigegendrete ko babobe na igo buna borokia mpagwenete kwegwa ebesa yabo bakorerete emirimo roboturwa senchira yobwengetu kolende ngorobwate tole asenchira yobwikirano
hapa ya walimu wetu kwa nchi yetu ya Kenya tunajua walienda wakaangalia mitihani they were supervisors they were invigilators they were center managers up to now hawachalipwa ni ukweli kabisa hawachalipwa na tunajua serikali iko na pesa Kenya National Examination Council ilitenga pesa ya kuwalipa hao walimu but mpaka sasa hivi mpaka wakati wamekusanya pesa ya mitihani yenye nafanywa huu mwaka bado hawachaonelea ni vizuri walipe hao walimu bado walimu wetu wanaendelea kuumia na mitihani iko karibu kuanza mpaka wametangaza ya kwamba they want to train more examiners already those examiners wamelipa bado mpaka saa hizi bado hawajalipa wale wenye waliofanyia kazi so tunasema sisi kama viongozi wa walimu it's not a good thing we want to castigate it because they may lack professionals to contract next time because kama hawalipi na wanawafanyia kazi they wanachukua muda mrefu sana kuwalipa inakuwa shida kuambia tena tuende tufanyie kazi so sisi kama viongozi tunakashifu hiyo na tunataka waajipike na walipe hao walimu mapema kama sio sasa hivi wafanye sasa hivi ndio walimu wetu wapate hizo hera wako na kazi wanataka kufanya nazo especially wakati huu economy ni mbaya kila mtu anahitaji pesa kwa mfuko naomba serikali iende kwa haraka sana ihakikishe watoto wetu because hata sisi ni wazazi walimu bado ni wazazi kila mtu anahitaji hayo masomo yaendelee katika hizo shule zetu za junior secondary schools kwa sababu hata infrastructure ni mbaya sana kwa sababu hakuna vile tunaweza sema infrastructure kwa hizo shule siko sawa wanafunzi wanaenda pale, wamewekwa kwa madarasa yenye ni mabovu sana, but still they are struggling, na wanarudi nyumbani, tamu imeisha na hawajafundishwa.
Na korwa ase kaunti ya Kisii twende wika ase kaunti ya Nyamira abwa ase komiti ya Senate elietenenerete igoro yobokoreri gusaba kuri mirimo gekoragwa n'umunyakirogo George Mbugwa nigo bono batarire kaunti ya Nyamira ase factory ya Sasini gose Kepkebe elikurigereria obokoreri bw'abakori mirimo ngana ki bagenderete korengana n'abanyakirogo n'umunyakirogo oyo nigatebire barigereirie ebinte binge abwa ase batebire baucha kubika imirobiri mekerano na korangana ki abakori mirimo asenseme ya Kepkebe ime ya Sasini baranyareko bakorigereriwa mweli oya nigo batarira kaunti ya Nyamira abwasiba umerana n'umugavana abwasiba kwanira mange igoro yobokoreri ase kaunti ya Nyamira.
Na management ile shida ilikuwa from 2019 wakati walipoingia vile wafanyikazi hawakuwa nakaa kwa ile njia inasahiri, na within the miaka 3 hivi tumeambiwa vile wamefanya improvement. Wafanyikazi tunaona wamefurahi na tunaendelea na our engagement.
We are also happy to have learned from the management that the issue of employing workers on 5-month contract is no longer there. The most contractual employee is on a 2-year contract with gratuity at the end of the 2 years.
Tumeona nyumba zile za zamani na ambazo mipiro amespandirisha management na union pia tulikuwa nataka kujua kama wanakaa vizuri.
Tumeweka mikakati ya kutosha na tena tumeeleza wafanyikazi wetu wote, yoyote mwenye anahisi kwamba kuna mtu anamharas, yeye pia ako na uwezo ya kuripoti.
Mwanjo muligereria tumurekere kaunti ya Homa Bay abwase serikali yense ya Japan ya chakiri umurobelio bwa mache Amayia yokonywa oisene shilingi milioni 12 nuguta ibere asensemo ya karachuonyo amone chinsemo chonjakanaine asensemeyo okwana omuteneneri korwa ase serikali yense ya Japan nigate birare no mogoko kurwo bokonyo bwo gocha sabamenyi bensemeyo abwase tebire amache negento kiengencho mono asamagima y'abantu na igo nigo barorire oyu n'umuroberi umwikiranu asogosira bamenyi be county ya Homa Bay abo babwate obokongu bwa macha Amayia yokonywa nigo bayigate bire meroberi niswenerete kubikwa bunenjere moyo korosia macha Amayia yokonywa korwa senyancha ya Victoria bunenjere moyo korwa bokonyi gochia sabamenyi be county ya Homa Bay.
Supports this project because we consider that health of the people is the most important aspect of development. We support the universal health coverage, which is being promoted by the government of Kenya. We think the safe and clean water is a basis of health for the people in any area, including in this county. Yamaha Motor Corporation has come here in order to experiment with this technology, which is low cost and low need for maintenance, so that it could clean the water from Lake Victoria. Their plan is to have a completely locally manufactured water facility to be available to all the counties in this country. And by doing so, it will reduce significantly the cost involved.
Chinga kiecho abarai korwa senseme yuba korwa n'umugavana we county ya Homa Bay Musubate Gladys Wanga nigoba kirengambia mono gochia serikali yense ya Japan wetera umwambasada abanyara ko babaguchakia umurobelio muya bwa mache yokonywa korengana na Wanga amona barai bande nigoba tebire mbale tayare bune county ya Homa Bay gocha kubwaterana n'ababwatani au babwate ekirengeki yakyo gokonya abamenyi be county yo nigoba igate bire buno mugavana na ari nikirengeki yakyo kwenekia ngoretara magenderera mange asensemeyo
to express on behalf of the people of Homa Bay, the people of Karachuonyo, the people of Wangchieng Ward, the people of Sekakagua, we want to express our deepest appreciation for the work that you have done through the IDF to be able to have the people of this village, the people of this community, having clean water to consume. The biggest challenge we are facing as governors along the lake region or in the lake basin is that our people can see water, they can see it, they can view it, they can touch it, but they still have no water to drink and clean water and safe water for domestic use. And that is the challenge that this program has come to resolve. And when we walked through this project, we saw a simple solution to a complex problem that can actually, with very, very minimal resources, be used to allow our people to access clean water along the lake. So one of the things we have seen is that one of the impediments to water here is the issue of power.
We are grateful because what has been mentioned, water is so important in our lives, especially clean drinking water. Not only for survival, but also our health issues are affected by the quality of water. When you look in this region, we are among the leading in waterborne diseases in the country and in the region.
Aba Kenya bonsi nigo baburiwe wesokia na gusira abasubati ikiagera korengana n'ubutuki nigo bukorokia abasubati abange nigo batigire magega asa magenderero ao okwana chinga kicho koligia emiroberi mekeranu ngana ki abasubati baranyalko babagusirwa ase binyoro ao nako babarai na weika kubua chitenda na gokorwa bokorelia sense ya Kenya nigo masubati Veronica Nduva oyo teneta mangana agenda sense ya Kenya aboririe abasubati gusira na barabo ase barabo na boigo abantu bonsi ko bachinguru bunenchere ya moyo gotenenia abasubati eligo kinia uchumi sense ya Kenya nigo baya kwaneta ya litukuri igoro chinga kibatwa letege ikarokia bene korigia lichibu korua sababu watani ao bunana kia abasubati baguche gusirwa aiga Kenya.
Development partners, we need the role of the media fraternity to frame our issues. Secondly, it was important to note in the discussions that we highlighted the challenges and the successes that women face towards, as we strive towards gender equality, and it is important that we work together to create a positive story. When we tell our stories positively, then other women learn from them.
The central principle of the Sustainable Development Goals is to leave no one behind. If you look at Kenya's sustainable development trajectory at the aggregate level, at the national level, if you look at it in terms of averages and trends, it's incredibly impressive over the last 15, 20 years. It's an upward curve, a very steep upward curve as measured in things like GDP per capita.
We want to thank you for supporting KEWOPA in capacity building trainings for women MPs. I think we're becoming better legislators, and I think there's a great shift in articulating issues, in women supporting women agendas in parliament.
Magega ya barokigwa babere korwase skuru ya banyaruka ya mukumu eyo gotoka se county ya Kakamega gosiria obogima bwabo amona banda bange gotigerwa gosaba banda bange abo bagendete konyoro bugwenya ase chinyagitari ao ase county yo mayaga yo gokagerwa gotwara oboroire bwe Elisabeso gose cholera wono nigo waziri bw'obachenu Musubati Susan Nakumencha eso kireli tuko atarirete abarokigwa bo ase chinyagitari ao ase county ya Kakamega naboiga ase skuru eyo y'abanyaruka ya mukumu litukuligoro abo asanegetie buna obolingolia nigo bokworokia korase kyombekelia kyo gokoro bolingolia Kemri korase county ya Kisumu nigo bokworokia abana abo nigo baliete ndagera etaro seire ase birengo by'obachenu biri bibwenerete nigo korengana na kumincha tebire serikali yachakire kubekemero biri mekerano eliokorangana kibirengo by'obachenu bigokina na gutanga ebikore bune byarorekanete ase county ya Kakamega abo ase skuru y'abamura ya Butere boigo yanyartko bakegosiekwa ase ngencho yogo kagerwa gotwara umuchando buna oyo
3 patient samples collected have tested positive for something called enterotoxic Escherichia coli, which is a bacteria. And also for Salmonella typhi, I think 4 of the samples tested positive for that. And amoebiasis, 3 of the samples tested positive for that. And these were tested at the Cambridge specialized laboratories in Kisumu. To several places within the school, we have checked their kitchen, we have checked their storage for dry commodities, we have checked their water storage and all that, and we have identified some gaps that need to be dealt with. And from there, and from the initial analysis of the issue having been with water, that is how we came also to the main source of the water, which is a stream down here, which we have also looked at and identified gaps.
Ministry of Education, we have noted a few things that needs to be addressed. We have noted a few things which needs to be dealt with within the dormitories, within the dining hall, within the kitchen. And we've been given direction as Ministry of Education that we need to move away from wood fuel, so that using firewood we need to start disengaging from that area.
Na gukorero mwanchu murigereria korwase county ya West Pokot nigo bono abarai korwase county yo monimero belie koragwa no governor bwensemeyo bachakirie obwagachi bwechipara ao abunenchire moyo gocha gukora amangana yo bosagani amono bwibi bwetugo asensemeyo nige gotebekana buna no nyembalia baitwa kubwatikana no goitwa na baibi betugo nigo yaba kongu woikia Ibere yabo woika sechinka chabo egento kyaretirwe no gutabao wechipara chingia ase county yo nigo batebiro mo governor na agendete kubekemero buri mekerano na korosia chipara chinyinge ase county ya West Pokot bunenchere moyo koleta magenderero ange amo nabamenyi besemeyo.
Iko very busy na kuna mambo mengi itasaidia including mambo ya insecurity kwa sababu ya conflict kati ya boda ya Pokot na Turkana watu wameshinda kutembelea hizo barabara zingine. His Excellency the Governor of West Pokot akaamua kuweka budget barabara ya kwenda Ramos kutoka pande wa Kasai. Ndio sasa zile muda angetaka kuja kununua vitu hapa Kasai Center, anaweza kuja kwa barabara mzuri aje anunue vitu yake.
Na ningependa pia kushukuru Mheshimiwa Governor na uongozi wake pamoja na naibu wake kwa sababu wameweka kipaumbele masuala ya barabara. Na kama vile ambavyo Governor alivyoahidi, mwisho wa kazi yake ipimwe kwa kilomita za barabara ambazo zimetengenezwa na zinapitika. Hiyo ndio lengo lake kuu na sisi tuko hapa kutimiza hilo lengo.
Siku 4 zilizopita kulikuwa na watu ambao waliuawa na majirani wetu kwa boda. Walipigwa tu risasi, lakini njia iliyoweza tumika kusafirisha hizo miili mpaka makwao tulitumia zaidi ya kilomita 200. Ila hali hii kutoka hapa
Nara yua sebono mwanchu murigereria kulenda mange Chinsa 10 amano yominto Brighton Makori kiagerana mange agendete okoreka asense ya Kenya tuchio kubwatelia enkwana yomurai bwense Dr. Ruto yuara sensemo ya Kinango county ya Kwale asogo chakia morobilio bwo kuigura libwa golia mwache mnencheremo yokoretera amache abamenyi bense meyo gati ayanda mange asenchera yobwenge korende mbia mono sibali mwatubwatire gwetera senchera yemitandao na kwenekia no muri amona intu asenchera yobwekiranu gati abo Dolphin Mora na banda bange abagenderete gutubwatya tugwakangambia mono kirage oria twabwagatirana na gokonya na komo gwetera sensemo yebimanyererio nigakorwa Joshua Auta no oria nekia onsi kwanyorire gwetera senchera yechibicha na Mariogi nigakorwa Abigail Nyanchama na inche nigonkorwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.